How to fix Xbox disconnected from cloud gaming session. First, you want to check the Xbox cloud service status. To the official Xbox status page to see if there's any outage or maintenance affecting your cloud gaming. Power off your Xbox PC or mobile device, then turn it back on. Unplug your router and modem for 30 seconds, then reconnect. This may resolve any connection issues. Test and improve your internet connection. Make sure your internet speed meets the xCloud Gaming's minimum requirements, at least 10 Mbps, but faster is better. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible, or move closer to your Wi-Fi router to reduce lag and disconnections. Limit other devices using your network to reduce congestion. Ensure your Xbox app, games, and system software are fully updated. Outdated softwares can cause compatibility issues and disconnects. And repair or reinstall the Xbox app if on PC/mobile. On Windows, go to the Settings, Apps, Xbox App, Advanced Options, and Repair. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the Xbox app. If none of these steps work, check the Xbox support site or contact Microsoft for further help. Subscribe.